Okay, so continuing on the wins that led to my first payout, or just wins in general, I kind of started at a decent point back in history where I could actually look at the 1 minute chart and not be able to do that. So more wins leading to my payouts. So, or this could be a loss, just trades, I guess. On the 4 hour, I believe this was CPI week, so PPI Wednesday, CPI Thursday. So I didn't trade Wednesday or Thursday to get kind of a iffy trade on Tuesday. But letting price action go, well, we did okay. Well, what did I say previously? On Tuesday, we disrespected this. Okay, we're still in this area, kind of draw it up. Exactly what I thought was going to happen, retrace, and just displace. So we displaced, okay, displace, respected this, displace even more with news. Now we're back down here. So we're pretty bearish at the moment, higher time frame, 4 hour, even though retracement, because we're always going up for the most part, unless we're here. But for the past few months, going up. Big time frame. But high time frame on the 4 hour, which is what I usually refer to as a high time frame. Directional bias, we have displacement down, 4 hour imbalance right here, 4 hour imbalance right here, 4 hour imbalance right here on NASDAQ. So we have this daily low right here on Thursday, and we made the daily low on Thursday right here on ES. So we have this high on the 4 hours, let's go on the 1 hour now. Moving forward. Okay, so we came up, took out all this right here, still tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, respecting it. We have this 1 hour, high right here and 1 hour high right here. This is like again, Asia session high. And then we have, again, over here, we also took this out, tapped in this 4 hour fair value gap. We also have this 4 hour high in the same place right here, Asia high. So really, with this strong displacement, I want to see us go take out a high and then go down, displace and go down to take out this liquidity. I mean, this is like generating liquidity. This is what this is. Low, just like trend line, easy liquidity, displacement, high time frame, manipulation, consolidation overnight, manipulation, displacement. This is what I'm looking for. So bearish bias going into this day. The 15-minute, looks like I probably marked out, that 15-minute high. Since we're in the 4 hour fair value gap, maybe if we get a good amount of strength moving down off of displacement, if we have a lot of strength going down, a lot of selling pressure, and I could tell if how big the candles are, if we really displacing heavy down off of this 15-minute, okay, but I would really want us to take this high out at least, and I feel like we could. Okay, so we're looking at on the 1 minute. 1 minute. Where's this? Okay. Another 15-minute high probably right there. Okay. Bam, we're moving up. Moving up. Right here. Same thing. We'll just wick down. Now we're retracing up. It looks like we're probably going to end up making an SMT. Okay, again, example. Market we broke structure. No key level hit though. In this big 1 minute fair value gap, not going short off of that. But we're just consolidating. This is what goes on. We generate. Let's go over here. Even here, we took this level out. We're in this 1 minute. 1 hour, 4 hour actually fair value gap. But it looks like we do. Do we take that out? We take that out. So we take that out. Looks like we were waiting for that high to get taken out on ES. For NASDAQ, we still moved up. Generated this. We're just generating short-term highs for us to come take out and then displace. So at the moment, let's just stay on this 1 minute fair value gap. Want to see displacement right here. Look for that. Right here, we have this 1 minute fair value gap on this hourly key level, hourly high. I want to see us disrespect this and displace, market structure shift and displace. But let's see what price ends up doing. What time is it? Okay, it's 9:50 still. Not late in the market open at all. Chopping around. Come to take out this high one more time. Disrespect this. Okay, now we're disrespecting. We're starting to disrespect a bearish repeated array. See where we're at on here. Same thing. Tapped in now to the, we already did tap in, but now we reached back into this, a little deeper into this 4 hour fair value gap. Okay. There's not like a, the swing low is pretty low down after we displace below this. 2 minute, 3 minute. Okay, let's just see what happens. We ended up displacing below that, disrespecting that. Also another 1 minute. Really want to see us displace under this level though, at the moment, for us to go short. Okay, so that's what we did. Bam. What am I looking for? Either retracement into this fair value gap or just hit this, but it's just the same thing. I would have my high right here. Look for a 1 to 2, maybe this level. I think I probably just took it off at 1 to 2, but I was pretty confident we're taking this out. And also just going down to take this stuff out down there. If I do say so myself. Right here again, yeah, look. Good displacement down, strong pressure down, took like market structure shift, retracement into this would be great. But I want to say, yeah, actually maybe I did. Did I though? So this is the thing. This, we made SMT off of these levels, but the thing is, just now it just like depends on how your stop is looking. Right here, we have 2 fair value gaps. I would want to have my stop above this fair value gap, because if there's 2, always leave room for it to retrace into the second fair value gap. But based off of like how my stop would be looking, like how I'm feeling, like how it looks, like this, if you ignore the SMT a little bit, this is a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more sell off down here for us to like retrace into this. So I want to say I probably entered on the on ES. See what happens though. Displace. Okay, we're displacing. Okay, it looks like it looks like this one just kind of sucked. Yeah, this one, I just remember this one kind of sucked, I think. I don't think I even entered on any of this. Maybe I entered on, See, this is just the unfortunate, like, waiting. One of the problems, one of the cons of waiting for the retracement is sometimes you're not going to get the retracement back into this. It's just going to displace and go. Great setup. Great. I would have entered on this 10 times over. Just didn't quite get the retracement to go down into this, but look how beautiful this is. Like, look. We're taking this out. There's no way we're not taking it out. Well, guess I was wrong on that. But look at all that. That's like a 1 to 3. We took this out, which is where I would want to even have it taken out. But now we just made equal lows down here. But just look, price delivering very low, very strong, which I expected. And made an SMT off of that. That's probably why we didn't take out those lows since it was higher up. See, that's what happens again. Wagon index, yes, we got good delivery, good strength down, but didn't quite take that out and made an S&T off of this on the non-lagging pair. I'll do one more. One more trade idea for this. 4 hours, just going to Monday. Oh. Monday. Okay. Since we are bearish though, but it looks like we're displacing back up. Did we tap into a daily? Hold on. I think we did. Yeah, see, so we're also in this daily fair value gap. This is what I'm talking about. When even though, like on the 4 hour, even though we displaced pretty good, we displaced on the 4 hour, leading to being a little bearish, we still are respecting since the Thursday. Like on Thursday, we're still respecting this daily fair value gap. So higher time frame, like daily. See how we're bullish. Like on that 4 hour isn't just since we were displaced on the 4 hour like that, we became bearish for a moment. That does not mean we're going all. We're just starting to go down. Like we're gonna have to start and then go up, displace below this, make this like a swing low, displace down here. Now we're moving pretty good down for days. But so that makes sense. You know, I peeped that. I definitely peeped that, but just for this video's sake, I didn't go on the daily deficit. But I definitely peeped that. So I can definitely tell why now we retraced basically what happened is we retraced into a daily fair value gap and then we displaced. Like daily fair value gap retracement on the 4 hour retraced. Now we're displacing. So probably looking to go up. But yeah. So I'm just gonna leave it at that for today. I just checked the time even though I said I was gonna do another one. I got to go to work. So that's it. Leading into my next video would be on this Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday. I don't know. Somewhere in here, either or. I don't know if I took a trade. Looks like I did. So yeah, Monday.